What were you playing?
I see.
What were you playing, Zach? Playing guitar?
Can I see you play the guitar some more? Why do you guys walk away when the camera comes out? Let me see you guys play your instruments.
There's my guitar.
Stop, Grayson. Stop. Stop it. Play it, Zeph. Rock out. As Grayson whines over and over and over again. All done?